Birds of a feather. To use a quote, nobody motivates today's workers. If it doesn't come from within, it doesn't come. Fun helps remove the barriers that allow people to motivate themselves. Quote by Herman Cain. Unlock your goal and motivate your passion. Would you like to see fantastic results and learn what like-minded people are using to get amazing success and change your circumstances forever, but don't know where to start? To guide your choice and get invaluable information, use the useful links below. Now, visit http://is.gd/useful links to get more complete details.